Alright, so I want to show y'all it's a 2008 Nissan Armada. It's got almost 300,000 miles. I bought it with a salvage title and got it fixed and got a rebuilt title. It was wrecked on this side. There was a dent in the front bumper, and the part of the bar right behind the fog light was bent. That was pretty much the only damage on the vehicle. I think it got totaled because of the mileage. I bought it with 276,000 miles. So I just had that bar put in, a new radiator support, a new radiator, and a new bumper, and got it checked out. It got it inspected, it passed, and then I was able to get a rebuilt title for it. Since I got it, added the 20-inch wheels and tires. It came with factory 18s. Seats are in good shape. Interior's in pretty good shape too, to have almost 300,000 miles. Right now, check engine light is on because of the oxygen sensor. I'm gonna turn it off and start it back up so you guys can hear it. And I've added a Magnaflow muffler on it, so it sounds a lot better. It's a little louder too. As you can see, the mileage 292,948. So it's got about 7,000 more miles, and it'll be right at 300,000. I will do another update at the 300,000 mark. If you want to see more, like and subscribe to the channel. I have more on this truck and my Volkswagen GLI. Thank you.